Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to short a stock right here on TradeZero. And if you want to do this, we go first of all to the order ticket where we search, for example, what was that? For Nvidia. Now we fill in right here Nvidia Corporation, and then we do this exactly the same for the chart. So we can also do analysis if you want to do that. Damn guys, what am I doing? There we are. And then right now you see right here the chart. So if you want to do technical analysis, you can do that right now. But we are interested for a short on Nvidia. So what we're going to do is we go right here to quantity. Then we go to root paper. Order type is market. And then right now we need to check here down at our open positions if we are having a long position for Nvidia. Because if you are having a long position, you are not allowed to do this. So we don't have a position on Nvidia. So right now, if I click here on short and we do confirm, you see right in the top, order requested, order placed, and order filled. So if you go down right now to the open positions, you see that we are having a short position on Nvidia. So this is how you can short a stock on TradeZero. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.